This is Cole and Ashley's furnace. Looking at replacing this guy, maybe even possibly adding AC, but furnace is the main priority. So we've got our PVC exhaust coming in, goes into the next room, then goes straight up. We can try and follow that route if there's room. If not, we'll go straight out to the side of the house. There are two fresh air intakes, but they've both been taped off. I'd rather just have one feeding directly into the furnace, and we can untape one of these for the water heater behind it. Replace condensation. It's a vinyl tube that goes up into the next room into a washer drain that's on the other side of this wall. Currently this furnace is an 80,000 BTU. I don't think it's going to need to be that size. Even still on a 60. I want to put it up on a base can because the return's a little small. I'm going to do a base can with a nice filter rack, so filter changes are real easy. Looks like a kind of pipe here, exhaust pipe here. You get just an easy door you pull down and swap the filter in and out. This is what I'm assuming to be the air exchanger. There is no damper on it, so we're going to possibly look at doing that as well because it's just getting a steady stream of cold air into the return. This does work. It's 20 years old. Gas line needs a drip leg, so we'll replace the shutoff, do a drip leg, and then do a flex into the unit. Thermostat wire comes down, goes to the other side here for some reason. Just on the same size, make it look clean, make it look good.